All right, we got this amazing Zomisia dog stairs for your bed or your couch. As you can see, it comes in two pieces. I'm going to show you how to put it together in just a second. Arrives very compact and just pops out. And this is going to be great for any small to medium-sized dog, and it will fit your bed or your couch as long as it's between 19 to 22 inches high. So this thing is amazing. Let's just go ahead. Actually, before I put it together, you can see it's like a memory. There's a memory foam vibe, but it's also very sturdy, very put together. I'm going to actually let's show you here. I'm going to open this up to show you. Open it up right down here, just so you can get a vibe on the memory foam. There's the memory foam right there. So nice and comfortable, but also nice and sturdy as well. And it has, at the bottom over here, has an anti-slip vibe. Let me bring it up actually closer. Anti-slip. So this is going to be perfect as it sets on the ground to make sure it doesn't slip out from underneath your dog, because that's what you want. That's what we need. So let's go ahead and put this together. So I'm going to come back here with the zipper right here. Just connect them. And here we go. I'm going to zip it all the way around. As you can see, there's this handle right here, so it makes it very easy to to carry it, move it around, whatever you want to do. Very portable. But this thing is absolutely amazing. Let me actually just move around so you can see this side, the material over here. Nice vibe for your dog to be walking on right here. Very easy to climb the stairs, and this is what you need, and I highly recommend it.